This is my makeup kit, and inside it are my favorite makeup products, especially for basic, natural, minimalist, or soft glam makeup. This pouch is from the brand Sunny's Face, but I bought it online from Beauty Manila. This makeup pouch is, as you can see, transparent and small. It's like as big as my one hand. For my primer, I have this Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer. I love this because it helps minimize my pores and this mattifies my skin. This is so good. Next is this BLK Skin Tint Sunscreen in the shade Vanilla Glow. I'm not really into foundation. Pag skin tint kasi, you can see the skin pa rin, but better, making it look natural. Next is concealer. I'm in love with this concealer from BYS in the shade Light. When I use sponge and spray, this concealer melts in my skin. Hindi siya full coverage and I love it that way kasi parang skin mo pa rin. And another concealer is from the brand The Sim. Syempre, if may biglaan, this one is full coverage ng concealer, and if I want a full coverage one, I definitely love to use this The Sim. For my eyebrows, I love using brow powder, and I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Granite Brow Duo. Gusto ko siya because it's duo. Pag ayaw mo ng too strong, you can use the gray color, or pag gusto mo ng black, you can go with the black. I love powders because di siya halatang plakado yung kilay mo. So, super gusto ko siya. And to set it, I love using brow gel. And for my brow gel, I have 3 favorites. First is this Vice Cosmetic Eyebrow Gel in the shade Ash Brown. Madalas kasi pag saglit ng alis lang, I only use this kasi may color na siya. The next one is the Glossier in the shade Clear. Same with Nichido. Actually, Nichido is a new purchase of mine and I love clear eyebrows kaya gusto ko sila pareho. For my lashes, I have my curler from Shuimura. It is actually good and it does the job. That's why it's a favorite of mine. For mascara naman, favorite ko to for a long period of time na kasi dati mascara and lip gloss sa akin okay na. Siguro sanay akong gamitin tong Maybelline Hyper Curl and OG mascara ko talaga to. And another mascara that I love is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Yes, it's small but it's incredible. I tried this mini Anastasia Beverly Hills because gusto ko muna siyang subukan. Pero grabe, ang lakas niya makahaba ng pilik mata nito, I swear. Kaya naman I'll definitely repurchase. For my eyeshadow, I'm in love with this Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. Grabe, nasa kanya na ang lahat. From minimalist to glam. Kasi meron siyang glitters and bongga talaga. Lahat ng shade dito. Pwede siya talaga for natural makeup. And meron namang brown shades. And may pang base just in case. Pero the glitters, grabe. It's 101% amazing. For my contour, I love this Vice Cosmetic Contour in the shade For Sure. This is so affordable pa and ang ganda ng shade nito. Easy to use, easy to blend, kaya naman sobrang ganda nito. Another one is from NARS in the shade Laguna. I use this as a bronzer and parang it's a natural bronzer of your skin, especially if di too much ang pagkakalagay. Ang ganda. May glitter lang siya but overall ganda talaga, promise. Next, for my blush, I love cream or liquid type of a blush. These two are my favorites. First is this Sunny's Face in the shade Dull. I love pink blushes and ang ganda, parang nagbi-blend siya with your skin. And actually, this is my second blush na from Sunny's kasi nahit ko na yung panasin. Hindi lang nahit yung panasin, wala na, lahat talaga inubos ko. Talagang ano yun, talagang inubos ko talaga. The second one is from Glossier. It's pricey but ang ganda. Parang ano, it's long lasting siya and a little goes a long way na with this one. And ayun nga, mahilig talaga ako sa pink shade and gusto ko lang yung pink shade. Pagkaka-pink nitong Glossier in the shade Puff kasi parang ang lakas niya lang maka-fresh and so natural, kaya ang ganda. For my lips, I love to use lip balm, lip oils, lip moisturizer, lip gloss, ganyan. Kasi I'm into makeup na skincare pa. And parang you hit two birds with one stone na kapag ka ganon. So, for my lip gloss, I have glossy. Nakaka-plump siya ng lips ng bongga talaga. Super glossy, pang-aura talaga, pang-party, ganon. Of course, after ng pandemic. Ang ganda talaga nito, super. Next is this Everbalena Vinyl Lip Gloss. Ito, mas lighter siya kaysa sa glossy. Mas magaan siya. So, ayan, nakaka-plump din siya ng lips, pero mas nakaka-plump talaga ng lips si glossy. But Everbalena is, pwede siyang araw-arawin and very affordable. For lip balm naman, I love this Dior Lip Glow. Ito talagang tinted balm na bongga. Super nice ang kulay. This is in the shade 07 Raspberry, and ang ganda talaga. And ayun nga, it moisturizes your lips. So, of course, kailangan pa rin natin ng lippies. I have two. And the first is this Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. Ganda ng shade, ganda ng lapat sa lips. Wala akong masabi, pero ang ganda talaga nito, promise. Ang dami ko na rin napanood na mga reviews na maganda talaga, kaya napabili talaga ako nito. And grabe, hindi ako nagsisisi. Ito naman si Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Nude Shot. Ito, for me, is kailangan. Yung bigla ang may event, sophisticated, mature woman, kailangan talaga natin mga ganitong lipstick. For the last item, this is my ultimate favorite highlighter, the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. Kung ikaw yung tipong yung gusto natural highlight lang, not too much, ang ganda talaga nito. Actually, I got it because of Kathleen Lights, and grabe na dumating to. Nahilove talaga ako dito kasi super duper ganda niya. I almost forgot. For my powder, I love to use this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder with Jeju Natural Mineral and Natural Originated Mint. I am super in love with this powder because may cooling effect siya, nakaka-fresh. And this is really my OG powder. And feeling ko, ito na talaga yung forever powder ko. That's all for my makeup kit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate it.